Hello everyone, this is Fan teaching professional teaching knowledge based on American Board study material. When people know that you are a teacher and ask you the question, what do you teach? You might answer, I teach chemistry. The correct answer should be, I teach students. Today's topic is how to teach students. As a teacher, you might ask yourself sometimes, how can I bore my students in class? Well, that's easy. Just remember that if the students don't understand what you are teaching, they lose interest. So before you think about how to teach, you need to know how students learn. Well, I'll talk about how students will not learn. Number one, students will not learn if they are not motivated. Let's put this knowledge in the context of learning cycle for the sake of teaching you the concept of learning cycle. The learning cycle consists of 3 stages. Stage 2 is learning, and stage 3 is learning some more. So the only less obvious stage is stage 1, which is getting an appetite for learning. From teacher's perspective, the learning cycle becomes teaching cycle. They are stage 2, teaching, and stage 3, teaching some more. And stage 1 is whetting students' appetite for learning. You might be wondering why it is called a cycle, because ideally stage 3 will lead to a new stage 1, but I don't think it is necessary. I think it's okay that if you can jumpstart a new stage 1 from anywhere. Number 2, students will not learn if they don't have the prior knowledge. Students need prior knowledge in order to understand the new information. So as a teacher, you might want to ask yourself questions like, is chapter 1 the prior knowledge of chapter 2? Or do students understand chapter 1 enough in order to start learning chapter 2? Or do I want to teach chapter 1 and then chapter 2 and then come back to chapter 1? Learning in sequence is a good strategy. Jumping ahead and coming back is also a good strategy. I think ideally the 2 strategies should be balanced. You might ask, how do I know if a student have the prior knowledge? The answer is, as you might heard on the news, testing, testing, testing. Number 3, students will not learn if they don't know the context of what you are teaching. Before plunge students into the cold water of new knowledge, provide some context, warm them up a little bit. I think this applies to any human-to-human communications, and it is also one of many things I myself need to work on. That's for today. From next video, we will dive into specific teaching strategies and techniques. Thanks for watching.